नमस्ते। आप लोगों ने मेरे वीडियोस को सराहा, प्रशंसा की, सुझाव भी दिए। उसके लिए धन्यवाद। कई दिन से मैंने कुछ पोस्ट नहीं किया है क्योंकि थोड़ा व्यस्त हूँ, पर कुछ लोगों ने आग्रह किया कि क्यों नहीं पोस्ट कर रही, सब ठीक है तुम्हारी ओर? तो मैंने कहा चलो आज कुछ ऐसा शेयर करूँ जो युवा पीढ़ी है उनके लिए कारगर सिद्ध हो। ऐसा मुझे अचानक विचार इसलिए आया कि कुछ दिन पहले विवेक अग्निहोत्री जी से मेरा एक साक्षात्कार हुआ। वो एक सक्सेस प्लस फेस्टिवल ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं, उनका स्कूल ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी, और उसमें उन्होंने मुझे आमंत्रित किया। उसके लिए तो आभार उन्हें व्यक्त किया मैंने वहाँ पे भी, और अभी भी प्रकट कर रही हूँ। और हो सकता हो आपको समय मिले तो वो देखें अवश्य। तो उसमें उन्होंने कुछ प्रश्न पूछे और कहा कि युवा पीढ़ी के लिए कुछ ऐसी बातें बताऊं जो ऑफर सम सजेशंस दैट माइट हेल्प देम। तो कुछ बातें मैंने वहाँ बताई उन्हें, पर अचानक आज मन किया कि मैंने कई वर्ष पहले एक पोस्ट लिखा था, एक ब्लॉग पे, एक समझ लीजिए पत्र मैंने लिखा था for my nephew who had qualified his exam and he had scored great marks. तो तब मैंने उसे एक मौसी की ओर से एक छोटा सा सुझाव दिया जो मुझे लगा कि उसके जीवन में कारगर होगा। तो I thought perhaps it might be a good idea for me to record a video about those certain tips that I had given to him, because these might be valid for other youngsters, and it is not just meant for an Indian kid, but anybody across the world might find it pertinent. So I will just read out from the blog post, and if you find it worthwhile, please feel free to share it with other youngsters who might make good use of this advice. So nobody can take your marks and your hard work away from you. However, it is not what defines you as an individual. The energy that you embody and emanate will proclaim your persona loud and clear to the world, more than the marks scored in the pursuit of a degree. You are the main protagonist of the story of your life, with complete freedom to write your own script. You are who you are, and not a label that people might bracket you under. Don't let anyone make you believe otherwise. You are here to know and fulfill your own life purpose. So find out what gives you joy and do that with all your heart. There might be times when people you count on might let you down, but don't give up at all. Follow your heart and all will be well. Trust me, I've been there, done that, lived to record this note. Good or bad is subjective. As long as you don't hurt or harm anybody deliberately or inadvertently, you are free to follow your own North Star. You are the captain of your ship, remember? If you can shun one thing in your life, please shun judgment. For not everything is as it seems to be. What is good today may no longer fit your belief system tomorrow, and the one who seems quirky at present might actually turn out to be a well-wisher later on. You might have heard about the story of Shabari ke Bear episode from the Ramayana. Shabari offering her jhoote bear to Sri Ram might seem disrespectful to some people, or even to you at first glance. But once you delve deeper, you realize the depth of her devotion and affection towards Bhagwan Ram. So if you get this fact right, you will be sorted for life. Stay open to ideas, thoughts, cultures, and people. You will end up richer than you could possibly imagine. What you know about is the only truth is the biggest fallacy ever. Stay clear of it and remain flexible to all that might be seemingly new and foreign. An open, accepting heart will let you find the one common thread that permeates it all and binds people at the fundamental level. Stay informed, ask questions, read about your past, be mindful of and appreciative of the rich heritage that you have inherited from your ancestors. You'll be amazed by what you discover. Try finding your own truth by digging into the source instead of going by what sounds true. Love with all your heart without discrimination and see it come back to you magnified beyond your imagination. Know it for a fact that your life will not be influenced or affected only by your blood relations. You will meet many people who will shape your life all through. So be appreciative of and respectful towards everyone. Make sure that your thoughts, words, and deeds are aligned. This conscious living will keep you in good stead for sure. Raise your vibration and see the universe bestow you with what is in your highest good. So I sign off with with lots of love and with the tip to always use your free will to do what you feel guided to, provided you're willing to take full responsibility for the same. You are all you have and you are all you truly need. This was my advice to my nephew, and this is my input to youngsters too. I wish everyone who heard this particular clip the very best of what life has to offer. May you rise and shine to your highest potential. Namaste.